Recently, a Russian well-known military expert published an article pointed out that although a long time believed that Chinese in the engine area is likely behind the Russia and heavily dependent on Russia to supply, but now scenario has been changed, telling the world Russia in the field of the engine has to rely on China's supply. As soon as this article published, it not only quickly attracted the attention of the world public opinion but also led to the hot discussion of the army fans. However, China unexpectedly became a supplier of Russian naval engine. It was not long ago that Russian warships equipped with Chinese CHD-622 V-20 engine, and also equipped this engine in Russian Tu-1631 type of missile frigate. Since the Russia chose China to become a supplier of naval engine, it has just happened in recent years. Before that, Russia has been purchasing ship engine from Ukraine. However, the high tension between Russia and Ukraine, Russia will no longer be able to buy warship engine from Ukraine, and Russia on naval engine technology is far lagging behind to invent its own warship engine. And now Russia from the warship engine, Chinese purchased not for the Type 21,631 tons frigate warship, but also for the type of 21,980 petrol boats before using TBD-620D-12 type diesel power engine from China. By engine including Russia's latest research and development of the 22,800 type frigates, originally planned to use Russian independently research and development of the marine engine, but due to performance the flex eventually adopted the Chinese, is seen the rapid and powerful China in the field of marine engine. Even the Russians came to know that if we want a stronger warship engine technology then we must go to China. It is believed that in the near future, as the reputation of Chinese ship engine will become more and more famous and more countries will start buying Chinese warship engines. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe Pack Technology Update channel for watching latest videos.